So here's our problem. This is our woods. And if you look through, you could see a lot of branches are down. And we have some logs here. And there's a lot of downed trees. We really need to work on cleaning up our surrounding woods. So the only thing that we could really do with this wood is to burn it. Everywhere you look, there's wood down, branches, sticks, trees, logs, a little bit of everything. So we're building a fire pit today. Anything too big to go into a wood chipper, and even stuff that is big enough to go into a wood chipper since we don't have one yet, we're going to burn. So we're going to build a nice big fire pit so that we can safely burn all the logs that we cut from our land. It's a good way to get rid of it, and it's enjoyable, and I think we can make a major dent over the next few years of coming up here pretty much every other weekend. So we chose a spot basically in the middle of our clearing, just about right where the back of our house would be. That's looking south. So that as we clear around the perimeter of the property, we can bring it right to the center of the clearing, very far from anything that can burn, to prevent, any kind of forest fires or spreading of fires. And just make it nice and convenient. That's going to be the fire pit. So we're hoping we're able to dig down and create a pit.